channel. It's your boy Shams here with another video. Thanks for tuning in to another banger. Let's get it. Now today I got something sweet, but before I tell you what's happening, I just want to say thank you to everybody that's watching this video, everyone that has subscribed, that has been commenting, that has been liking, that has been disliking, because you know I'm still getting subscribers if you dislike. So thank you to everybody, I appreciate it. I'm currently on 1,350 subscribers. We're growing. Sorry for not uploading recently. I literally just been focusing on my life, my job, all of that, so I can keep the content and the mods coming. So yeah, without further ado, let's get into this video.
Yo, voiceover Shamsy here. Now, what you guys are looking at is what you get with the ambient lighting kit and the two front footwell kit. So we got our controller box right here, and we also got the two footwell strips, put that to the side, and we got the ambient lighting strip. And you do get like two sets of cable ties if you want to use it. Now, first things first, you're gonna want to empty out your glove box, push the two tabs to the side so it can come flush down, and then you have your ambient lighting strip right here. It's pretty easy to take out. I've done it in a previous video, so go check that out. Now, in order to get this ambient lighting strip out, there's two ways you can do it. Either you can pull the projector from behind the strip itself, or you can plop it out from the front and then take it out like that. So that's what I've opted to do. I went from behind, and then it's literally just 3 clips that clips in, and yeah, the ambient lighting strip should come right out. It's in perfect condition, so if someone wants this, let me know and I'll send it your way. This was a previous lighting strip from Ambient Plus. They do great work, so make sure you go check them out. And yeah, so next thing that I done was tuck it away, just so it's not in the way of anything.
So with this one, I already have the subwoofer wired into this little fuse part here where you're meant to take out of. So it's the bottom left fuse, right? It clips in like that. I already got a subwoofer already hijacked in pretty much. So in my case, what I'm gonna have to do is piggyback the piggyback pretty much. So it's gonna look something like this. So I piggyback my piggyback with 3 fuses in. I'm gonna plop this one into the bottom left where it was, right there. I'm gonna plop you in right there. Boom. That's all plugged in, which is completely fine. And then you want to sort out the ground. So with the ground, you do have a little part here. I think it's a 10mm. You unscrew it slightly and then you slide this in between, then you should be good. So let me do that now. I'm gonna unscrew it slightly, and then so that's how it should look. And to do with this box, I'm probably gonna plop it somewhere down here or in that corner, so I have enough to bring down through here. So yeah, it's always good to test and make sure that it's working first before you start mounting stuff up. So it's all wired in, it's all grounded. So now we just need some power. So we're gonna turn on the ignition. And we're golden. It's looking actually sweet, you know. So I plug them in and they should be ready to turn on. So let's leave them there for now. Turn on the ignition and they all light up. It's all very well. So now it's time to get these mounted now. Yeah, so I ran it through the original ambient lighting hole there, and what I'm gonna do now is just stick it to the underneath. So I'm not looking very happy right now because it's not sticking down to the surface underneath. I gave the surface a clean and everything like that, but it's just not sticking. Like the amount of force and heat, it won't stick. Like it's just not sticking. Like the back of it is not even sticky. Like you can't even hear nothing. It's not sticky. So this was pretty shit, to be honest. I'm gonna have to cable tie it, but I guess this was a bad make, but yeah, I'll just do what I can. So luckily I had some 3M tape lying about, and I had to just stick a new one on, but that's really poor. Like, if you're buying something from a shop, you shouldn't have to do this. So I'm not really happy about that, but you know, we move. So I'm gonna peel this off and stick it, and it should be good. Because what I was gonna do, I was gonna let it clip underneath here and all of that, but that's not really safe for the LEDs. So I'm gonna try it this way. Hopefully this way it works much more better. So it's all stuck down, like there's no gaps, which is great. Yeah, that's not a gap, that's just the 3M tape. It's all stuck down great. Luckily I had this lying around, bro, because if I didn't, then this would have been a whole shit install. But yeah, now we gotta do the footwell. I gotta clean this up, route all the wires to there, and then it should be sorted. Ambient light strip done. Now to do the footwell lights. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna tie it. Oh shit, what happened there? Oh, I probably got too hot. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna tie it up here somewhere, and then I'm gonna route the cable for the right hand side through here. And yeah, so let me just do this side first. So here's where I am so far. Put some sticky tape there because it is gonna stick along here, this little edge here. And I made a little loop system. Just put that one out and put this one here. Made a little loop system there. So a little cable tie. That's gonna be hanging up. That's gonna be hanging up from this part here. So here's one cable tie. Here's one cable tie right here, and the other one is on this side. So this should be holding up this end of it. So let's give that a go. Cool, so what I'm doing is I'm bringing a wire up from there, running it through here, and it's coming through here now. And it's gonna attach up there, where the box is. Fuck. Yeah, that's how it looks now. I wired it up, and I got it tucked behind, going up through here. You can't even see it. And also I used cable ties to cable tie it, but I also did use the 3M tape just to keep it secure as well. And overall it just looks dope. Let me turn off this light. It looks pretty sweet still. Yeah, now to do the driver's side. It's all wired up, same pattern as that light over there. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cable tie it to this part here. And so how you're gonna do it is just turn this from above, turn it, bring this out, and just hide that, or tuck it. And then you wanna cable tie this to that one, and then you should be good to go. So that's what it looks like. My camera's about to die, but that's overall how you do it. I wired the wire through here. So up here, the wire comes back through down there, goes through to the other side right here, and then all you gotta do is just tuck the wires away, and then you're sorted. So that's how you install the ambient lighting strip, the 2 footwell lights. I'm gonna do the rear ones in a future video, but yeah, that's how it's done.
So guys, we got it installed to the car. It looks fantastic. The only 2 issues that I ran into was the ambient lighting strip sticking down. Like, I shouldn't have to I shouldn't have to use my own 3M tape to get it to sit how it should be sitting when it already comes with 3M tape, you get what I'm saying? And the other thing was the actual ambient lighting strip. I believe that the strip should come all the way along the whole gap there, just like how the previous ambient lighting strip was sitting previously. So it's not a big deal. It's still lighting up a little bit there, so you know, that's just my preference, that's my feedback. But yeah, like I'm saying, it's not Autobeam's fault. It might just be that the glue what they're using might be wrong, or it could have been a bad glue mix or whatever, sticky 3M tape mix that they were using. So all in all, pretty great install. I love the color of it. The footwell lights look sick. I'm going to be making a lot of photos on my Instagram, so make sure you go check it out. And without further ado, it's been your boy Shamsy signing out. Peace.